At TFC Recycling, we're more than a company that collects waste and recyclables. We partner with our customers. If a school, a business is going to commit to recycling, we go beyond collections. TFC commits to increasing participation to ensure as much material as possible is diverted from the waste stream. We educate communities and the customers we serve through on-site visits, audits, and region-wide outreach and advertising. We've invested in state-of-the-art technology to make sure more recyclables are captured and processed efficiently, and collected by an increasing number of TFC trucks that run on clean natural gas. TFC innovates the process by finding new markets for hard-to-recycle materials, including electronics and organics. We're working to take our customers to zero landfill and zero waste. And we offer an online rewards program for customers called Recycling Perks to encourage higher participation rates and maximize diversion. We have a long and storied history with recycling and an exciting future as a leader in the industry.
TFC Recycling is the leading provider of responsible waste solutions and recycling services in the Mid-Atlantic. The largest recycling company in Virginia, TFC is committed to working with residential and commercial customers, as well as schools, to make recycling easier than other methods of disposal. The Benedetto family started the first recycling company in the United States. They began operations out of a pushcart in New York City in 1897.
My grandfather's day in the 1880s, 1890s, when they came over from Europe, Italy, they collected house to house newspapers, and they would make enough money in those days to bring back the rest of the family.
3 generations later, in 1973, Joe Benedetto opened Tidewater Fiber Corporation, now known as TFC Recycling, in Chesapeake, Virginia.
It wasn't that easy in the beginning. Nothing is easy.
Joe saw a lot of opportunity. I think he's always been a visionary. He saw a lot of opportunities, and he got to know people who help you make things happen.
Since the late 1970s, TFC Recycling has provided the Mid-Atlantic region with a model for what communities worldwide strive for in a recycling program.
Our goal is to be the best service company that can be. And when you're talking about value, value is not just price. Value is service-driven, and we go above and beyond to take care of our customers.
TFC was one of the first companies in the world to use single-stream recycling. Single-stream recycling allows customers to place all recycling materials in one container for pickup.
Single-stream was very revolutionary when we started it back in 1997. There was only a couple companies throughout the United States and probably the world that were doing single-stream recycling. The challenge with single-stream is it requires a significant upfront investment, millions of dollars in the sorting technology. Because instead of sorting it at the source, you're bringing it all mixed together back to a central facility where it can be processed better and more efficiently.
With single-stream recycling, TFC provides larger wheeled containers. Customers can simply roll to the curb on collection day. From there, TFC takes over.
We got trucks out there right now picking up your recyclables, bringing them back here to the plant, so we can sort that stuff out and send it to the proper places it needs to go.
As the material comes into TFC's world-class facility in Chesapeake, Virginia, it's checked in and weighed. It's then unloaded onto the tipping floor. From there, the material's loaded into the system to begin the sorting process. Next, it goes into a drum feed that moves it into the system at a consistent rate, level loading the system. At this point, non-recyclable items are removed from the stream. Then the glass is broken up, removed, and sent to another section of the system. More on that in a moment. Cardboard is taken out of the system, riding on top of a series of mechanical screens, moving eventually to a bunker where it will be held until baled. The remaining material continues through the system where it's screened, first manually, and then through a series of T-Tech optical sorters. The sorters use photo identification software to sort out all the remaining fiber, which is moved on for further processing and baling. The containers are further processed. PET or soda bottles are separated from other plastics like milk jugs and laundry detergent containers. Meanwhile, steel and aluminum are removed from the stream. For steel, an overbelt magnet pulls the material from the belt. Aluminum is removed with an eddy current magnet, which aluminum cans pass over and are repelled into another bunker. Once all the recyclables are separated, they're baled for delivery to processing facilities in the United States and around the world. Newspaper, mixed paper, and cardboard are baled on a machine capable of producing up to 40 tons an hour. The separated grades of plastic are baled for delivery as well. Glass is processed a little bit differently. It's moved outside where it's cleaned and then sent to a third-party processor. There, it's color separated and then sent to bottle manufacturers. They turn it back into other usable products. TFC is the only local recycler that recycles glass back into bottles, keeping it out of the landfill. Recycling is more than just a process at TFC. It's our commitment to the community and the environment.
When we implement our programs, we do everything from flyers to educate people on what to put in the bins. We have stickers that go on the bins to educate them what should go in the bins. We have classes. We've given presentations to organizations like the Lions Club, Rotary, and so forth. We go right to the schools and we give presentations to the schools so the kids can take the information home to mom and dad. It's a wide-reaching educational process. It isn't just, here's your bin, we'll pick it up next week kind of thing.
By creating a simple and friendly system for users, TFC makes it easy for residents and commercial customers to recycle. Excellence is reflected in all TFC's efforts, from our educational outreach into the community to our state-of-the-art processing facility and safe, efficient fleet of trucks, to our innovative materials marketing and recycling incentive program. TFC Recycling continues to blaze a trail into the future of responsible waste solutions. TFC Recycling has been in business since 1973 and plans on being in business for a long time to come.